Hello and welcome to my channel Sam Biology Class. Friends, today we will discuss about zinc finger motif. Before that, I request all of my friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also watch, like and share my videos with your friends. Zinc finger is a small protein structural motif that is characterized by the presence of one or more zinc ions. The structure was discovered in the African clad frog Xenopus laevis, in which the transcription factor 3A was found to have such type of folded structure. In the zinc finger, the polypeptide chain is folded into various secondary structural elements such as alpha helix and beta sheet, which are then further folded into a compact finger-shaped structure which can interact with DNA, RNA or proteins. Not all zinc fingers contain only zinc. In some cases, iron-sulfur clusters may also be present in place of or in addition to zinc ion. On the other hand, in some cases, the metal ion is entirely absent, however, they are folded into finger-shaped structure. A zinc finger is about 30 amino acid residues long. This finger-shaped structure is stabilized due to the coordination of zinc ion by cysteine and histidine amino acids. The structural motifs play a crucial role in gene regulation, DNA repair and cell signaling. In engineered enzymes such as zinc finger nuclease, customized zinc finger motifs together form the DNA binding domain. This domain binds to the specific sequence of DNA and enables the associated HOC1 nuclease domain to cut the DNA at specific pre-selected location. This targeted nuclease is used for genome editing. Based on the overall shape of the protein backbone in the folded domain, zinc fingers are divided into different fold groups. They are the cysteine 2 histidine 2 like fold group, jag knuckle, treble clef and zinc 2 cysteine 6 fold group. First one is the cysteine 2 histidine 2 like fold group, which is the best characterized class of zinc finger commonly found in mammalian transcription factors. This figure illustrates the structure of a cysteine 2 histidine 2 zinc finger, which is characterized by the presence of a zinc ion and 2 cysteine and 2 histidine amino acids. It consists of an alpha helix and an antiparallel beta sheet. The beta sheet consists of 2 strands. In this structural motif, the alpha helix and the beta sheet are folded into the characteristic finger-shaped structure with the help of zinc ion that remains coordinated with 2 cysteine and 2 histidine residues. Zinc ion play a vital role in stabilizing this fold. Cysteine 2 histidine 2 zinc finger have a variety of functions such as binding DNA and protein-protein interaction. In sequence-specific DNA binding proteins, individual zinc fingers occur as tandem repeats, with 2, 3 or more comprising the DNA binding domain of the protein. These tandem arrays, which are typically spaced at 3 base pairs intervals, bind the major group of DNA, and the alpha helix can make sequence-specific contact with DNA bases. Second one is jag knuckle, which is found in the HIV-NC protein. This figure illustrates the structure of the jag knuckle, which consists of 2 short beta strands connected by a turn and followed by a short helix or loop. Next one is treble clef. Such type of zinc fingers consist of a beta hairpin at the N terminus and an alpha helix at the C terminus, each of which contributes two ligands for zinc binding. In addition, a second beta hairpin and a loop of varying length and conformation may also be present between them. The best characterized protein containing such type of zinc finger is the nuclear hormone receptor. Fourth one is zinc ribbon. Such type of fold group is defined by the presence of two beta hairpins which form two structurally similar zinc binding subsites. Last one is zinc 2 cysteine 6-fold group. Such type of zinc finger consists of a binuclear zinc cluster in which two zinc ions are bound by 6 cysteine residues. Such type of structural motifs are found in several transcription factors. Friends, this is all about zinc fingers. For more updates, subscribe my YouTube channel, Sam Biology Class.